We're putting together a Christmas wreath. I made a boo-boo and got green ornaments instead of gold like I wanted. But it should all work. Get a wreath from Walmart is where I got mine. And then you take and you put hot glue on your ornament. And you put it on. You want to do this all over your wreath. Then I got these cute little flowers. I'm still trying to decide if I want them on or off this, probably off this stem. There's enough green already. You just put your hot glue on it. Cool. That is so cool, huh? And you put your flowers wherever you want them.
Mommy, why is it going on there?
Mommy's busy, Raylan. Now, I'm going to try to use these.
Can I help too?
No, Mama's got it. You want to make sure you space them far enough apart.
Can I push it?
No, babe. Mom's got it.
You push it hard?
I meant to get gold, but I ended up getting green. Brain fart moment.
Can I do it?
Baby, no. It's hot. It's not a toy.
Is this hot?
Yes, it's very hot. Trust me, I wouldn't lie to you. Now we want to try and space them out because I only have 4 of them. But I don't think it looks too bad space-wise. And we will put one right here. Now we want to do a couple more bulbs. I think 2 or 3 should be plenty. Because I don't want it to look too busy. You just need a few squeezes. We'll put one right here. And I like shiny. So that's why I got the glitter ones. Should we try a green one and see how it looks? Let's look. Alright. We're going to take a green sparkle. What do you think? Jess?
I like it.
Think it'll work?
Yeah.
I like the shiny, sparkly, glittery ones myself. Just because you're behind the camera don't mean you can't have say so. Camera person always matters. Now this is going to be a bunch of that. Alrighty. I don't think it looks too bad. There's green on it.
Good.
Kind of wish I would have used all glitter and not the other ones, but then it might be too glittery and I might hate it. Where will we put this green one? Right there. I might have to go back over these a little bit later. Because my glue gun's being a pain in them. Nose hair. I think think it might look too crowded if I try and add more, do you think?
Uh-huh. I wonder if you can move that one over there. 'Cause that red one don't look that. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to move that red one.
Nope, they're already in. I think that'll be it for that. Now we have to get the joy sign.
Yeah, the joy sign.
Now I have to decide where I want it. Well, I kind of did that butt crack backwards, but we will.
That was cute. That was adorable.
That looks good right there.
Let's look at this.
I don't know if it's gonna stay.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Holy crap balls. And then we take it and we see if we can get it to stay. If not, I'll take it home and glue it better. But that is what it will look like when it is done.
She bought something from you.
Doesn't look too bad.
It's staying.
Pretty cute if you ask me. I really wish I would have put more green, maybe, but those would be too close if I did. Does it look okay?
Yeah, it looks cute.
The next craft will be next.